All right, and welcome to the next Instapage video. And in this video, what we're going to do is actually go over how to set up the different options inside your landing pages and thank you pages and so on. So let's actually start with the landing page. Let's take a look at this. I'm going to open it in a new tab. And this is what it looks like. We have a title, page, all that stuff. But we also have, which is kind of the main thing here, the email opt-in, right? So we can always go here, click Edit, and start working on anything we have, whether it's a text by clicking edit and changing it, blah, 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 right? Or whether it's an image, again, edit and then upload it, or whether it's this HTML box. Because if we are using Aweber, for example, and this video is specifically for Aweber users because of one simple thing. If we actually use add new and then connect it to forms, and let's say this is the form, and when we edit this form we integrate it with Aweber. That's called an Aweber API integration, right? So here's here's that whole form. Let me grab the whole thing here. Sorry. Let me actually do this. Delete. So add new and say forms, right? So here's that form, and if we start editing it by, like I said, clicking edit and then integrate with Aweber, well, Aweber through API, any API, basically doesn't allow for single opt-in. It only allows for double opt-in with any API connection. So the workaround behind that is to use this HTML box and use HTML of the Aweber opt-in form to kind of put in here, okay? So the way to do that is I'm about to show you inside the Aweber, but that's the only way to use the single opt-in. So how do we do this? We go to the Aweber, we create a new form, sign up forms, create your first sign up form. This is a test account. I don't have anything here, so this will be perfect for this demo. So as you could see, we only are using email here, no names, nothing like that. If that's the way that you want to go, then literally delete the name and just leave the email. And I'm going to delete the header as well. And if you want to delete the footer, you can do that too. So here we have this form. I like to use the transparent one, but for this purpose and for this example, and you can find these templates here, the transparent one or any other color for that matter, but it really is, it's irrelevant. So now that we have this, we go to step 2. In step 2, we name the form. So let's say my test form or my landing page form. Name it whatever you want. This is for you, okay? We're going to say, we're going to leave everything alone, and we're going to say go to step 3. Save your form, and then we simply click on this I will install my form raw HTML version and literally copy and paste inside this HTML box. So you're going to literally copy and paste this right here. Okay, now how do we make sure that we are using single opt-ins? Well, in Aweber, once you do that, you will need to go to, remember, we're doing this all inside this demo list, right? So this form is tied to this demo list. So to go to this list and change the settings, you go to Manage Lists, and you click on Demo List, which is the name of this list, and then you say Confirmed Opt-in, and you scroll down and you make sure that this, which is on by default, is turned off. Both of these need to be turned off, and that's when you save the settings. That's when your Aweber opt-in is going to be a single opt-in versus a double opt-in. So you basically make sure that you save, you change these confirmed opt-in options, and then that form of yours is only added by copying the HTML version of it right inside this HTML box. Then you click Save, Publish, and you're all set with that. Same thing when it comes to the home page, the thank you page, excuse me. So the thank you page, if we click on Edit, has many elements, okay? And obviously has a title, it has the Let me actually go back to Instapage so you could see what it looks like to a customer or potential prospect. So the thank you page, or the opt-in at this point, right? So the thank you page looks like this. It has a title, it has a Facebook post, and it has the link. So in order to edit this stuff, you literally click on edit. You can edit the title if you want. You can edit all of this, the links, by literally clicking here, clicking edit. But the HTML, where do you get the post, the actual physical post from Facebook? Well, you literally do that by going to Facebook, to your page where you have already created that post. So let's go to any page here, right? I love German Shepherd. So let's say this is the post that you're trying to embed into your thank you page. You literally click on this small triangle and you say see more options, embed post, and you grab this whole right here. You grab this whole HTML right over here and you paste it inside this HTML box. And that's going to be, you save it, you publish it, and that's going to be your Facebook post that's going to show up here that people will like, comment, and share, which is also going to give you the social proof that you need for the thank you page, okay? So that's something that you need to do as well. Once both of those are set up and saved and published, what you need to do is grab this URL that you have created for your thank you page, literally copy this URL, because remember, you have to connect those two pages to basically say whenever somebody goes to fills out the Aweber form, and that they're automatically taken to the thank you page. So what you need to do is go to your Aweber and literally go to your form, go to settings, and now the thank you page that you see here, you say I want it to say custom page, and then you enter that URL of your thank you page, because that way, if it's not changed here inside Aweber, Aweber is going to go to the default setting, which is the basic version, and this is what it looks like. Thank you for subscribing. What you want to do is once they actually opt in and click submit, that they're taken to your URL, and make sure that you delete the first HTTP here because it shows up here by default, and then that way they're taken to your thank you page, as you can see here, and then you click save your form, and just in case you want to go to publish again, install the form, and then click get that stuff, and then go back to your landing page. Where is it? Right here, the landing page that we spoke about, and you paste this form again, okay, just in case it hasn't updated by default automatically through Aweber. So again, you literally go to your Aweber sign up forms, you click edit, you go to the settings portion of your form right over here, and you make sure that the thank you page is set to custom, and that URL is of your thank you page that you've selected and built inside Instapage. You literally copy this and you paste it right over here, save form, publish it again, and get that code and publish it on the landing page HTML box, which is right over here. So just double click it, paste this, and click done, save, publish, and you'll be all set. Hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.